This semester, you're going to work on a group project. And yes, even though it's an online class, you'll work together as a team to submit one paper. And it's a group paper on strategies for hiring an effective manager. So I will assign you a group, and with that team, you will work virtually. So through email, you can talk on the phone if you want, that's up to you. But you will submit one Google Doc for this assignment, and I'm going to show you how to do that. You work through the Google Doc, and then you'll download it as a Word document, and you will upload it to the course. So the information's under Papers, Strategies for Hiring an Effective Manager Group Project. And in here, you'll find the requirements. You'll find the rubric. You also individually submit a paper about the reflection. And then I've also provided a template, and I'm strongly encouraging you to use this template. So you can download it, and you'll see that it's a Word document, and I've already set it up for you. So you'll go in here and you'll change, your names, the date, and then I've already set it up for you. So it's in Latin, just some filler words. So you'll replace this and start to type your introduction, a job description, recruiting plan, interview best practices, interview questions, leadership traits and skills, leadership styles, orientation and training, and then you'll write a concluding paragraph. And make sure, very important, that you have a reference page and that you also use in-text citations, okay? So APA format counts on this. Now, as a group, you'll assign these various parts. But to set up the Google Doc, you'll log into My DTCC. And if you go into the center of you want to go from the welcome page, you'll go to the resources page. And on the resources page, you'll scroll down to Google Drive. So you all have access through Delaware Tech to the Google Drive. So go in through your Delaware Tech account. And yours will look different than mine. You may not have anything in here. And you'll want to do a new document, and you'll want to upload the Word document that I just showed you. So that would be the project template. So one of you will want to upload it. And then once you have uploaded it, you can go in and you can open that document. So see, it's now opening in Google Docs. And once you're in Google Docs, you can work together as a group. So it uploaded the document, and this is where you'll work on it. And this you should be able to share with other people in your group, okay? And then after you're finished working on it as a group, you can send the link to one another so that you can all get in here and write and edit. It's a really nice collaboration piece once you've uploaded your document. You can see here it is in my folder, and you should be able to collaborate and work on it together. So once it's in here, you'll open it. And once somebody has created the Google Doc, over here under Share, you can click on that, and you can add the names of the people that you want to be able to work on it. And you want to allow them to edit it. So here's where you click on Can Edit. You can also get a shareable link. So if you click on that, it'll give you a link, and you can copy and paste that into an email and allow your group members to have access to it. Or you can add their email addresses, okay? But this is how you will share the information for the Google Doc. This allows all of you to go in, you have access to it, you can write in here, and then once you're ready to, you can download this document. And again, you'll go over here to File, Download As, and you'll want to download it as a Microsoft Word document. That way, one of you will upload it to the course when it's due. And that will be done. by going into the week, where week 7, where you'll submit your group paper. And so your lead person will go in for your group, and this is where you'll click on strategies for hiring an effective manager group paper, and you will add your attachment, and this is where you add your document. So that's how to create a Google Doc, and that's how you can upload it in the course. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions.